Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Today's video is a very simple yet such a delicious recipe. You guys, today I'll be showing you how to make suya sandwich. Let's get straight into the recipe. First, you're going to need some sliced bread. Feel free to use wheat bread if that is what you like, but I'm going to be using some white sliced bread. And then you're going to need some sliced cucumbers and of course some sliced tomatoes. These are the vegetables that are going to be going into our suya sandwich. Once you have that out of the way, you're also going to be needing some mayonnaise. This is going to be the spread that we'll place on our bread to make our sandwich. This is one that you do not want to skip or miss. It gives your sandwich an extra yumminess. And then to the star of the sandwich will be some leftover suya. Suya is like a grilled and barbecued meat that is sold in Nigeria. You can go ahead and buy suya for this particular purpose, or if you have leftover suya, you can go ahead and use that like I am doing right now. So now let's just assemble our sandwich. Like I said, this recipe is very simple, very easy, but yet so delicious. So what you would need to do is take a slice of bread, and on that you're going to spread some mayonnaise. Be very generous with the mayonnaise. The more mayo you have, the more luscious your sandwich is going to taste. There is this unique taste that the sandwich gives you, which is a mixture of mayonnaise and then the suya spice. It is just divine. So what you would need to do would be to layer your cucumber, your tomatoes, and then of course your suya on top of the bread that you spread your mayonnaise on. Once you've done that, go ahead and place another slice of bread on top of this and then repeat the same thing. I'm going to be using just 3 slices of bread. Feel free to use 2 or even more than 3 if you so desire. So we're just going to repeat the same procedure here on the second slice of the bread, and then we're going to cut across our bread to give us that beautiful sandwich shape. You guys, this sandwich is one that you can take for breakfast, or you can even pack to go as a quick lunch. You know, if you want something to munch on in the afternoon, it is just perfect. If you've watched up to this point and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly click the subscribe button and be a part of this family, and also for this Vlogmas season, as I'll be dropping one video every day to help you completely immerse and enjoy the holiday season. Now I'm just topping off my sandwich with a final slice of bread that I spread some mayo on top, and then I'm going to cut across to give us that beautiful sandwich shape. And there you have it, guys. Your suya sandwich is ready. Easy, simple, and so delicious. If you're going to be trying this recipe, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.